Analytical report has been one of the more forte that we have been recently been aggressively be working upon how to provide more insights into your portfolio. Really excited to walk you through a new report that we have recently launched, known as Top Holding Reports. We realize that a lot of people who use iRecord have multiple investments across multiple asset classes. And sometimes when market inches by 3-4 percentile or plunges down by let's say 4 to 5 percentile, it's really crucial for HNIs and ultra HNIs or even someone with a very diversified portfolio to understand where is the saturation laying down. So we have come up with a new report called under advanced reports as top holding report. This will show you the top 5 positions that you hold as of today across your multiple assets. It could be in derivative, it could be in equity cash, it could be in your currency account, it could be in your mutual fund schemes, it could be anything. So, top 5 capital market investments across segments that you have made will be shown to you just for your insights that if market has gone up or down, where is your maximum pain laying down. So this would be the top 5 positions in also portfolio basis that these are the top 5 investments you have deployed in the market. So as you could see, I have 3 asset classes: stocks, derivatives, and mutual funds. This entire holistic comprehensive view only defines that these many are my 5 top positions across this multiple spread of asset classes. We have also gone a step forward and given you weightage and also BSE NSE current valuation just for the comparison basis. What was the amount deployed and what is the market value for the same?